everybody, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today I'm going to bring you a DIY mini journal necklace. And here's this one I'm going to show you guys today how to make. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't that cute? Super cute. There, I have a few more here that I created, but this is the one that I'm going to bring you today to show you how to make. Anyways guys, another thing I want to mention to you guys too, I have my Etsy shop reopened again. It's now available to you all if you guys want to check it out. I put a few things in there and I'm still adding to my shop, and it's available for you guys to check it out. I'm going to put a link in the description box below. Before I get into the tutorial, let me go ahead and show you an inside of it. So cute. Yeah, this would make great keychain too, guys. Isn't that cute? Super cute. I love it. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. The first thing, guys, we're gonna make the cover first, and the cover measurements is 2.5 by 1.5 inch. And once you cut that out and fold it in half, guys, like this, half is even out, and then when you open it, you're gonna score another line right beside the half, one that you put in the middle, and another line beside the other half. And so when you do it, it can look like that, guys, okay? So you're gonna put 3 score lines in the middle of this, okay? It's gonna look like that. Then afterwards, you finish with that, you're gonna need 2 scrapbooking paper, because we're gonna be laying it inside of the cover like so. The measurements for that, okay, 1 inch and 1 3/8 of an inch. After you have that, let's go ahead and get the books, okay? We're gonna make the books. The book pages that we're gonna make, and we're gonna need like 10 of these, guys. And the pages are gonna be 2 1/4 of an inch by 1 7/8 of an inch. And you're gonna need 10 of these single pages, okay? Now, I forgot to mention the book cover, guys. And you're gonna cut the same measurement for the pages cut out for the book cover as well, guys. And that measurement is, of course, 2 1/4 of an inch by 1 7/8 of an inch. So once you have your book cover, we're gonna go ahead and put both of these covers on top of there, guys. Lay it on top of there, and you're gonna do the same thing for this one here too. It should look like this. Once you have that stick on there, guys, let's go ahead and get our books, and we're gonna be putting. So we're gonna be stapling this to this, okay? Before we do that, guys, we're gonna be cutting some of this excess that's hanging over off of here, okay, first. Then just put it inside of here. You can see how close we need to cut that. See, I mean, it's pretty good because it's not hanging out, but we wanna cut some of the edges off. So let's go ahead and cut some of that. After you finish cutting the edges, it should now look like this. Now we're gonna open the center of it. We're gonna be putting in the center of your book cover, okay, guys? And this is where we're gonna be stapling it onto this, okay? And it's tricky because you gotta make sure you line this up real good, guys, like that. And then we're gonna staple it right in the center. There it is. Staple just like that, guys. Once that is done, once you have your staple in there, now we're gonna be doing the cover, okay? We're gonna need a strip as well that measure 8 inch. We're gonna add a strap to it first. So the straps, make sure it's on the right side, the side that you wanna have it on. This side here, and I'm gonna have this to be my front cover. So we're gonna be gluing in the back of this. The strap here, okay? In the back of this, like that. We're gonna be gluing it on like this. So let's go ahead and glue that on there and use the fabric glue. And you're gonna glue it on like that, okay? Because that's gonna be going around. When this is in place and it's glued down, you're gonna be putting a cover to it. So go ahead and get your fabric or your fox leather. You're gonna layer fox leather down, and then we're gonna put this part here that have the strap, guys. We're gonna put it at the end of here. Okay, we're gonna put it at the end of there. That way we don't have to cut that out at all. I have to cut out the material right now. We're just gonna put fabric glue all over here, all in the back here, and then we're gonna lay it down like this. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that. I have to make sure the strap is sticking out, and then we're gonna lay it on top of there. Okay, guys, center it like that. Just like that, guys, okay? That's how you're gonna lay it out. And then we're just gonna cut around here and here. That's all you need to cut. Everything else is already in place. So let it dry completely and make sure you put a lot of pressure on it. Yay! Look at that, guys. Looks good. And you're just gonna fold that like that. And you're gonna wrap this around it. Yes. How cute is that? I'm gonna put on some accessories, and then, because what I did was I put a hole, I just poke a little tiny hole at the top here, and then I put a jump ring around that. I put it in there. Unicorn can hang on that. Can you see that? And I add a diamond right there. That I made a hole as well, right there on that side, little tiny thing, and I put a jump ring as well into that one. And that's how I attach that to that. Well, I'm gonna do the same thing for this, guys. So you're gonna need something pointy, okay? Just center it right at the top, hole right there. And that's where we're gonna put our little jump rings inside of it. You finish putting your charmer in there, guys, with your jump ring. Next, you're gonna do another hole right in the corner here as well. Isn't that cute? Because your chain's gonna be going through this loop right here. You can get your chain and then you can put that on there. So that can hang on there, guys. Yep. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.